Bienvenidos a Maijauz.
I want to show you this awesome DIY basement makeover. Together with my mother-in-law, we knocked this makeover out in 60 days. Let's first start with the kitchen. As you can see, the original wood is intact, but we really wanted to brighten this space by painting the cabinets white. We removed the knobs, handles, and hardware. After that was done, we decided to go for a marble-looking countertop. Instead of spending a lot of money on marble, we used epoxy to give it that marble feel. I think it came out amazing. We added brass knobs to give it an elegant touch. And now comes the fun part, the backsplash. We went for a blue backsplash to bring a pop of color and contrast the white. The original fan that came with the kitchen is not the cutest, so we switched it out for a new one. And since we couldn't find a white one, we painted the blades white. As you can tell, we really like the color white. My favorite part of the makeover is the floors. We ripped out the carpet and replaced it with a new flooring. Now the bar area. The bar area has a really awkward presence to it, and to be honest, we had no idea what to do with it. We wanted to clean it up and make the space more airy and bright, so we decided to paint the bar blue and remove the gold rods and remove the cabinets in the back. We also went for white walls and changed the old light to a modern one. Now the space looks open and clean and ready to host any kind of party. Next room in the basement is the living room. We painted the walls white, but instead of keeping it all white, we painted one wall the same color blue as the bar. As for the flooring, it is the same laminate flooring as the kitchen. We love this flooring because it makes the room feel cozy and it's also a beautiful color. We also changed the fans and got new ones. Last but not least, the master bedroom. It is the identical twin of the living room. Blue accent walls, same flooring, and the rest of the walls are white. Clean and crisp is what we are going for, and I think we really nailed it. I'm sure you're all wondering if this basement has a bathroom. It actually does. I did forget to take the before picture, so we only have the after. We kept the same flooring, the original flooring, the same toilet. The changes that we made was the vanity, the faucet, and the sink. We added some decorations like the curtains and the rugs, and as you can see, we have that really cute horse frame. My mother-in-law Robbie loves horses, and since we lived in a horse city, we just decided to implement some of what the city has to offer.